Hi everyone, Xander Clemens here, and I'm thrilled to thank all the contributors to my open source project Before I Die Code in video format after the second week of being live. Before I Die Code is a React open source project where developers share what they want to do before they die. The link to this repository is in the description. I would like to thank the following contributors from the second week of this project being live. They are as following. Alandis Ayupov from Edison, New Jersey, United States of America. His Before He Die statement is to play a game of airsoft. Next is Chu Seng Yong from Sarawak, Malaysia. His Before I Die statement is to retire in New Zealand with his love. Next is Kenneth Quiggins from Louisville, Kentucky, United States of America. His Before I Die statement is to become a software developer and work remotely from anywhere in the world so he can provide a good life for his family. Next is João Guilherme Camarota from Goiânia, Brazil. His Before He Die statement is to go skydiving. And last is Luciano Juarez from Puebla, Mexico. His Before He Die statement is to visit as many countries as possible. This week, we had 5 merge requests from individuals sharing their Before I Die statement and images from 4 different continents. In addition, issues solved and closed this week by contributors are as follows. Rajneet Jenna from Odisha, India for UI enhancement. Chu Seng Yong, once again from Sarawak, Malaysia for his UI enhancement and mobile responsiveness. Victorious Suwandi from Banten, Indonesia for the README documentation enhancements. Shivesh Vijay from Rajasthan, India for the translation of the license documentation in Hindi. And lastly, Luciano Juarez, once again from Puebla, Mexico, for the translation of all of the Before I Die code documentation into Spanish and the enhancement of the README and translation.md. Thank you to all the contributors this week for the growth of Before I Die code. Together, we can share and reflect on what we are doing in life while helping developers learn to contribute with the Git flow and co-contribute to the open source community. We welcome contributions to improve the UI, tech stack, and value for developers. A current goal and milestone is translating all of the documentation for this open source project into the top 6 most spoken languages. This would be English, Mandarin, Hindi, Spanish, French, and Modern Standard Arabic. Star the repo. Fork to get involved in the world of open source contribution. Let's keep sharing and speaking our dreams. Thanks for watching and have a great work week. Nos vemos.